Hey guys, I've got a fun video for you today. Now we are in uncertain times, right? But one thing that I used to do a lot is go to coffee shops. Now I was there 3-4 times a day, who knows, and I was getting a really amazing cup of coffee. Now since I've been working from home a lot more, my coffee level, the quality of coffee has kind of decreased. However, I've got a solution for that, and it is this Sage Appliance's the Barista Touch. It is an absolutely incredible coffee machine, and it gives you the barista style coffee from the comfort of your own home. If I really want a professional piece of kit in the home, I would always first off go to Sage. Now it's not the only appliance I have from them. I've got a Blueser, which is a blender and a juicer in one, and I use it every morning. So this is going to be my coffee machine of choice for the foreseeable future. I want to show you the coffee machine, but after that I'm going to show you my first attempts at some latte art, and then if you can share your attempts, that will be absolutely great. So this is the Barista Touch, and it makes the perfect barista style coffee from home. Now there's loads of reasons why that is. First off, you've got this touchscreen panel which makes it super easy to use at home. Now it's got some predefined coffees. You've got your long black, you've got your flat white, you've got your latte, but more than that, you can customize your own coffee. So if you like your coffee to be a little bit stronger, a little bit weaker, a little bit hotter, a little bit cooler, the milk temperature to be higher, etc, then you can set it on the machine itself, and it stores up to 6 of your own personalized coffees. Now, technical reasons why what makes this barista style coffee machine so good. It dispenses 22 grams of ground coffee bean, which is perfect for that coffee. Not only that, the temperature in which the water comes out and through the coffee is set at 93 degrees. Now the pressure as well that this machine is set to is 9 bar. Furthermore, it's not just the coffee beans to get the perfect barista style coffee at home. The milk is equally as important. Now, to get the perfect milk, you have to get the steam nozzle to 130 degrees. Now, again, the Sage Appliance is set to that, so you don't need to change anything. It's all automated, and it makes for an amazing cup of coffee. So let me take you around the machine. First off, you've got this touch panel here, simple to use. You've got the milk steam nozzle here. You also got a temperature control button at the bottom of it. It's like a temperature milk sensor which makes sure that the milk is heated to the perfect optimum temperature of 65 degrees. You can change that, obviously it's down to your personal preference. You also have the coffee extractor here, then the coffee dispenser just here. The water dispenser just fits easily into the back of it, just simply like that, and then the beans just go into this top piece here. The machine as well is quite compact as well. It's not going to take up too much space if you're limited. So I think the next stage really is just to try out some coffee, and I'll show you what the fuss is all about. So come on in. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how to create a flat white using the Barista Touch machine. First off, you just click on flat white on the main screen, then literally just put this in here. You get your ground coffee bean. Okay, coffee beans have been grinded. Now we just compress it down, then connect it up, put your cup underneath, and just click on the second, the brew stage. Now it's got a faster heat up time of 3 seconds due to the thermojet that it uses in this Sage Appliance. So you can get a coffee super quick, ain't gonna take you forever. Okay, the brewing has been complete, so you can take the coffee out. All you need to do is place the milk under the milk steam nozzle and place it on the heat sensor, which is on the bottom of it, and just press milk. Now, this automatically heats the milk up to a perfect temperature of 65 degrees Celsius. Once it hits that temperature, it will automatically stop, and it will give you the silkiest flat white. So the milk's been given the green light, so we can just simply remove the milk, give the nozzle a little wipe over. But the best thing about this as well is self-clean. So when you push it back down, it will then clean itself. It gives us time to create our perfect flat white. I'm not sure that looks like a heart, but you can maybe see if I could. There we go, that's a little bit better. Okay, so who can do better than that? Okay, so I'm now going to try the rosette. Let's give it a go. Oh dear, oh dear. Okay guys, so there you go. It's a bit of fun. The latte art is just a bit of fun, you know. I mean, the best thing about this machine is it's never going to make a bad cup of coffee, whatever you do. Even if you destroy the latte art like me, it's going to still taste good. But one thing I would say is always try and support your local barista coffee shop, because they have some really amazing beans that you can use, you can buy from them. Personally, I love to use Notes Coffee or Caravan in my coffee, which is what I'm using today. So cheers to that, cheers to working from home, and thanks to Sage for gifting me this amazing barista coffee machine. So I'll put all the links below, and yeah, enjoy. Cheers guys.